y'all, here's a list of supplies that you'll need for this project. I have 6 30-inch pieces of 2.5-inch ribbon. They all have a wired edge. A bowdabra or a bow maker of your choice. Scissors. In this video, mine are a little dull. I do need a new pair, but yeah, you'll need scissors. And wire. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. I like this one because it's easy to cut. And once you have all of that, we can go ahead and get to bow making. So the first thing you want to do is cut a piece of wire. You don't have to measure it, but it needs to be long enough to secure your bow to whatever you're making for in the end. Next, you grab your ribbon to go to work. I don't necessarily measure my ribbon or wire for that matter, but instead I just eye everything. So your tail should be at least 6 to 8 inches. And once you figure out how long you'd like for it to be, you pinch it at the mark and get ready to make your loop. Your loop should be at least 3 inches in order to get a nice fluffed look. You don't want your loop too long because then it will look droopy and you don't want that. If you have ribbon that is the same on the front and back, you can continue to make it without any additional twisting. Ribbon that's different on each side, you want to first lay your ribbon in the bow maker face up. Next, on the side where you're getting ready to make your loop, you'll need to twist it so that the part you want to expose is face down on the loop side. Once you have that, you make your loop and then it will be face up. And just continue these steps until your bow is finished. So once you have all your ribbon in place, you're going to go ahead and secure your bow. So the wire that we placed in the bowdabra in the beginning, we're just going to pull that up and then tighten it. And you want to bring all the ribbon out of the bowdabra and then just tie it around and just secure it, just twisting it around until you feel like it's secure enough to hold its own. After that, you just want to go ahead and get some pretty tails on the bow just to add a little character to it. So you take your ribbon and you take it face up and then just kind of fold it into hot dog style and cut from the edge where it's open and just cut down on a diagonal, and then you get like that pretty ducktail style. And just continue to do that with all the ribbon until you're done. So finally, all that's left is to fluff your bow until you get it the way that you like. I hope that you enjoyed this video and let me know if you'd like to see more on this channel. See you later.